Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life by Kimberly and James Dean. Tips from a cool cat for an awesome life. Pete the Cat shares his groovy, glass half full outlook on life in this collection of all his favorite famous inspiration and feel-good quotes. Pete adds his fun take on well-known classics from Albert Einstein to Confucius to Abraham Lincoln to Shakespeare. Life takes courage. Be brave. To begin, begin. If you don't know where you're going, any path will get you there. Go with the flow. Keep it simple. Chill out. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Far out with friends, you are never alone. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overalls and looks like work. Thomas Edison. Amazing things happen when you work hard. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Go for it. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford. Groovy. If you try, you can fly. Everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. If you want to be cool, just be you. Make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. Look for the good in every day. It's cool to color outside the lines. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Pablo Picasso. You must do things you think you cannot do. Eleanor Roosevelt. Nothing is impossible. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Plato. With a smile and a little kindness, you can make someone's day better. This too shall pass. Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. Don't talk too much. A meowing cat catches no mice. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work. Thomas Edison. There are no failures, just lessons. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Being different is very cool, and there is something everyone can do. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. Emily Dickerson. Don't lose hope. Keep on rockin'. Pete. Folks are happy as they make their minds up to be. Abraham Lincoln. Be happy, Pete. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Proverb. It can get tough, but you are tougher, Pete. Learn something he can learn in no other way. Mark Twain. Dude, don't even think about it, Pete. If music be the food of love, play on. William Shakespeare. Keep strummin', Pete. Be kind whenever possible. It is the Dalai Lama. Kindness starts with me, Pete. A well-spent day brings happy sleep. Leonardo da Vinci. It's a good day, Pete. Keep it simple. Chill out, Pete. The end.